Hi there, my name's Kristiann and I'm a fashion designer from Toronto, Canada. And I want to give myself a creative challenge to make really beautiful fashion-related projects. I want this to be something that's a little bit different than the work that I do every day, and I want it to be something that people can follow along just to enjoy the process of creation. And hopefully it's something that maybe you'll learn from or just get inspired to create something really awesome for yourself. But for myself, I just really want a platform to push myself and to get inspired. This video is just to put my intention out there of what it is that I want to do and maybe invite some conversation around the kind of projects that could be explored. So what's inspired me to do this is recently I had the pleasure of being able to make my wedding dress. And the process of doing that was so different to the work that I do every day, which is making sewing patterns for home sewers, which I love, but it's really technical work. And I just really loved being able to explore a project and be boundless in how creative I could be with that, and to get into a creative flow and not restrain myself in having to explain every step along the way. And I'm just hoping that it's something that will ignite my passion and yours as well. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about me and why I love making so much. I've always been obsessed with Jim Henson and everything that he's created and his beautiful worlds. When I was a kid, watching Dark Crystal and The Labyrinth really inspired me for the worlds that he could create and the costume and the characters. And I always wanted to work at the Jim Henson Creature Shop. And so as I grew older, the closest thing to me where I live in Toronto was a mascot company. And after studying fashion design, I thought that was a really interesting way to kind of explore that skill, making these really crazy creatures and furry, all kinds of everything. Anyway, but the cool thing about that job was that it allowed me to believe that I could make anything that was thrown at me. But I started really missing dressmaking. And so I was a teacher at that time and I got back into dressmaking and I started my company, which is Victory Patterns. It's a pattern making company for women who love to sew. And I'm really passionate about that and about teaching, but I really just want to explore things that I've always wanted to do and haven't ever found the right reason for it. And there won't have to be a reason. The reason is just because I want to. And I think that's the most genuine way for me to share myself, my story, and what I love to do. So I hope you're excited to follow along in this creative journey as I challenge myself. And I'm really looking forward to seeing if you guys have any ideas. If so, comment below and just let me know if there's any projects that you would love to see made. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time.